All right, so what are we learning today? Today we're going to revise our diary entries to add more sensory details. We're going to learn this because it helps our writing become more interesting. And we're going to use a model and a list of sensory detail words to help us do this. What are sensory details? Sensory details, which in Spanish is detalles descriptivos, are descriptive language used to help your readers make a mental movie, like really visualize what is happening in the text. So it's like they can see it in their mind with these details. Sensory details help you. I'm going to show you some pictures. I want you to shout out the word that you think the picture represents. So for example, sensory details help you. What do you think this represents? See, good job. Sensory details help you touch or feel something. Sensory details help you taste. Sensory details help you hear. And sensory details help you, what's the last sense? Smell what's happening. So when you add these details to your writing, your reader can really feel like they're there and really see and feel, hear and taste and touch what's happening in the story. Okay. Why do authors add sensory details in their writing? What's the point? I want you to answer this question and talk about it with a parent or a sibling, a family member, a pet, a stuffed animal, an imaginary friend. And then you're going to write your answer. So your answer should sound like, when you're talking and writing, authors use descriptive details in their writing because, and here I have a word bank. So you would talk to your friend or your neighbor or well, not your neighbor, because then you'd have to go outside. Well, you talk to somebody in where you are right now. Authors use descriptive details in their writing because blah, blah, blah. Okay, go ahead and share.